Good morning! Ready to go na, guys. Hi, say hi. Hoy, say hi. Ay, dead ma. All ready to go. See you, Aurora Isabella. Enjoy da, guys. Pag-swimming da ka na dyan, di danom na eh. Swimming da dyan, di pool ka, danom na. Lagi ito rupa iti kwan eh, man na nga, no. Makita yun, da kami to yan, no. Oh. So, ito yun. Dadadyain eh, oh. May kami makiwat-wat. Lagi yun.
We are not going to start our program unless we're going to move on this long table, especially Nino Sanida.
Baka kala niya ako si Tita Ruby.
Baka.
Kala kami ng gamit. Ayaw mo pa, hindi siya umuwa.
Oh, daging ka na sponsor.
Okay.
Mother's room. Ah. Ay, dito.
Newlywed.
Natin yung bagong bisita natin and habang pinapanalis po natin ibang mga parts ng ating program mo din. Although it's okay, but of course we will request everyone to please get your own pika-pika para hindi tayo masyado tutugin mamaya sa ating program. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyong presensya sa lahat pa naman na dito ngayon. We are very much grateful and thankful that you are here to witness this wonderful memory and choice of beer for DJ and Chaya. And so all our wishes for today, thank you so much for coming and first while having our pika-pika, you just don't forget to maring baka nagkasal mo kayo sa may palengke ng Aurora magkakilala. Magkumpare pala kayo hindi magkakilala. Okay. But anyway,